Why is coughing funny? Why is it funny? Why is coughing funny, TJ?
Mommy choking is funny.
I wouldn't want you around if I was actually choking. You're silly. You're silly. Is that it? All your laughter gone? One more? What if Daddy coughs? What if Daddy coughs?
Not as